Your body is not designed to live in alert, it is designed to return to calm. And it has at least 4 breaks to achieve it. The first is a thermostat. When cortisol, the stress hormone, rises, your own brain detects the excess and gives the order to lower it. You don't need to do anything. It's automatic, like a thermostat that turns off the heating when it's already warm enough. The second brake is the vagus nerve. It is the cable that connects your brain to your heart, your lungs, and your intestines. When you exhale slowly, that nerve activates and tells your body, you are safe, you can relax. That is why a single long exhale already changes you. The third is a molecule called GABA. It is your brain's chemical brake. It silences neurons that are too accelerated, like turning down the volume on a radio. And the fourth are resilience molecules, like NPY, which your body releases to protect you and help you recover calm after the scare. With all this, understand one thing that changes everything. The anxiety wave rises, reaches its highest point, and falls on its own. Adrenaline lasts minutes, not hours. If you don't fight it, if you don't add more fuel with your thoughts, your body does its work and returns you to calm. Your only job in these 60 days is to learn not to get in the way of that process, to allow. Nimu does not replace professional help. If you are going through a very difficult time, seek human help today. But I want you to leave with this. You are not broken. Your body knows how to return to calm. We are just going to train it to do it faster every day.